I'm Scott Cousins, editor of the Frankfort Times, and these are some of the stories you will see in Thursday's paper. With the May primary election less than a week away, local Republican candidates are finalizing the last-minute details of their campaigns. We highlight some of those expenditures. 3 local elementary schools showed improvement in the state-mandated iRead 3 tests administered in March, while scores dropped in too. The scores were released earlier this week by the Indiana Department of Education. 3rd grade students must pass the test before advancing to the 4th grade unless granted a waiver. The highest scoring school was Rossville Elementary at 98.1%, an increase of 5.2%. That was followed by Clinton Prairie Elementary at 97.3, up 2.9%. Clinton Central Elementary at 76.5%, down 13.4%. Suncrest Elementary in Frankfort at 70.9%, up 14.4%, and Green Meadows Intermediate in Frankfort at 69.9%, down 0.2%. State Rep. Don Leahy of Brookston is facing a challenge in the May 6th primary by Franklin Voorhees of Delphi in the 25th district race. We profile those 2 candidates. Competitors are gearing up for this year's Senior Olympics, which begins Thursday. The competition runs through the month of May and is sponsored by Genda Funeral Home. The games include a wide range of both mental and physical activities, including bicycle races and pinochle. Also in Thursday's paper is a rundown of countywide races as well as a 4th district congressional race. For more, buy a copy of the Frankfort Times or visit ftimes.com. I'm Scott Cousins, and thank you.